Welcome inside one of the world's most famous beverage factories.
Every day, trucks deliver tons of ingredients needed to produce millions of drinks. The process begins with water that goes through advanced purification systems.
Next, the famous Coca-Cola syrup is carefully mixed with purified water. In the laboratory, technicians constantly test the drink to maintain perfect quality. Carbon dioxide is added to create the refreshing bubbles people love.
At the same time, plastic bottles are produced using high-speed molding machines.
The empty bottles move quickly along long conveyor belts.
Automated filling machines pour the drink into hundreds of bottles every minute. Each bottle is sealed tightly with caps to keep the drink fresh. The bottles are then washed and sterilized to ensure maximum safety.
Pressure is stable, cycle is optimal.
After that, labels are placed on every bottle automatically. Robotic machines pack the bottles neatly into cardboard boxes. The finished boxes are moved to the warehouse for storage. Quality inspectors carefully check the bottles and packaging. Workers load the packaged drinks onto delivery trucks. The trucks prepare to deliver Coca-Cola to stores and markets. From this factory, millions of bottles travel to people around the world.